rumtong de la chunji de na la ane korda gya show has quantity la insi Sunil's family went on a picnic with a few friends Sunil nangmi di and de hasa lingal dovres thogo hase nyamtala ta a few lad la korda gya hora they went green park konzo khol dore green park ta dores green park la na thang do de mi changma chamjam to sada kora to sada de la green park la sorry me ba che da park la na de la wa ta park ji mi la green park che There were many beautiful flowers with some bees buzzing around them. Dila ane kare mambo yore medo ninju pe mambo tus. Pe la neta mambo tus. Ra many la kota che with some bees. Diye nyam dila kare du ane kasa dangma kashe chi pe buzzing la na zen le da buzz. Put dangma ki kide ra di korans tadla medo tadla kora gyati shas. So dinala kare du answer gensi Nidwa. Many da some. They played several games like Coco and football. Na konzo kharchere jimu khashish seres ra dinara ta khashe ledla goda genda. Coco da football ra kanza bola da Coco lana ta cheji manzu mi khashe jiyo korra dela ani ma khashe de che ani mi chi gla che ani chi le bigya ta na chi trade sheba de thesha ta ro ta chi kiyor inganzu pheba labra khaden zamam seidwa then there was plenty of food and many fruits ta dela khare khonzo khare ki deyor lana plenty lana pe mambo ra ta bebelulu la kochora bebelulu yores khala da shindo tas they were very hungry after the game so they ate a lot of food Quran so jimse sa jela pe thogo to che ani Quran khala pe mambo sapres ra a lot of the children also had 2 ice creams each pureregi ani punjogi pur Quran's reregi khare ani ice cream rere sabares sorry nire sabares so khare dinala khare do a lot of dine a lot chibutine didra a lot of dine kebamit dine 2 dine khare plenty several disama chatero Then you look at the pictures and say how many use words such as for, many, some, a few. Pari lata che ani kazudu lashwas say how many kazu me lashwas. Kari peji che ore use words such as for, shida, many, mambudas, kasheda, a few. The some led a few litis mambutuch, kochidan yetuchira. A few lana peji sumshiro da de rola kochura some led la ko nyeje marta khashe do le mashi some led nyu kochor this mambole kochor ni gal kochor mambola ne da khal many led nyu kochor didio che tadinala gamna khardu swings slide seesaws books clock chairs flowers butterflies pigeons ducks ra swings lana these ra and tangka de karching galingare hochleya parts in the uat the next slides lana dusinma jeda shoreja pun simsesati the next see so lana dirwa diga chik de dus chik mane na chi ya phiduga deche books lana thepche ra clock lana chichu chairs lana kopya flowers lana medo butterflies lana chimale pigeons lana diba angu ducks lana chujara ta khare dinala thienda here are 2 swings dinala swings khadu swings ni da dinala ra swings de chatri budga dine niwadla slides khadu slide ni do chigdo there is 1 slide ra dine sumbadla seesaw khadu chigni sumda they are here lana tisarwa there is 1 gangla slides there are here are 3 seesaws foundation drawing ta theb khaju do theb dunjo khaju do kijim danjo khashish do here are some books here are some books in the room lana dir that siru rimbu maseche they are yana here are many books, yana some books. Clock that there is one, yana here is one clock. And dinashi chair kazudu dila pape mangzi da dikela chenda. Dinesh Subadi, write some sentences describing your house or classroom using adjectives of quantity. Ta khare tsiru khashish tishos tishi gyala kirangi nang yanak zinghang tishi gyala. Diye khare pichore adjectives of quantity pichores. They are 2, 3, 4, 5 karin chira. Pichis susu nangla samdayana. There are 2 chairs. There are 2 tables, 3 tables. There are some khashishtos. There are some books on the table. There are some cups on the table. There are few underline the describing adjectives and circle the adjectives of quantity. The describing adjectives lana chidang dishi ke rujra korin budu thundule dila khoge che dila khachore underline chi shows sham the thi ten shows then circle the adjectives of quantity ine mangle gi gensi dila khachore korda kya shows. So in the beautiful garden of a large old house there were several small sheds ra medo domra ni jumo yosadlas ra karigi Kambangimba chimbo yosadela ani kardu there were several small sheds. The sheds lana karlaina disko on the red roof one of them ala sheds lana timnaro koshos sheds this shoni to yondi chera dadina mangbodo angzo yedishi get Dinashi Tsirumyodrona on the red roof of one of them lived 2 friends. Red roof of one of them. On the red roof of one of them. Shits. Ale dirshe. Shet lana kamba chunju lida sudla. Ra chunju lidos. On the red roof of one of them, the mambo yoro kambuchin dinala, and the toga mabu yinki ye todala, and the mambo yebe nane, mabu yebe ye toga dikala, lived 2 friends, togoni de warriors. They were a white cat named Bilu and a striped brown squirrel whose name was Gitu. A konzo togoni sulana. Shimi kaushi mingla bilu language da ani khare thada yin je stripe la na thada yin ke da ani sandra di gemu la or hala de yin ke ji ani squirrel na simji chinji li gash da shingdon da de ki mal de yin jira kila yin de si da ta ngel la shim pege na no de ji res kora mila khare gitu le res Bilu and Gitu loved to run up and down the old mango tree that grew next to the shed. Ta dindi khamba shinji yesadige yen de la Qurani khari gabu elana yama gyue ra yama gyuela ra dia khari ganla yama khari ganla gyuere mango tree am ki tongbonga gengoj la nare ta am tongbo dindi chikangla yama gyue gi gabu yores dia khale ere Quran si tan da khamba shinji di jela yores di sula yores. But they were always chased away by Ladu. Ine khonso khare khaduine ani ma theja tang shagres ra chased away lana theja tang sugi Lalu the big black dog Lalu lana sure kina ochimbushi res and her 5 puppies that live in the large house. Dinashi Quranium dula Quragi kitub chinjunga ra kitubunga dinyam dula de gores kwanala kambachimbu dinala. Rather describing adjectives pe mambo da gelang system ye dishi gyawana shi karri dur kota ge da